Yo, so look at that. That's what I made. Give me a second. Yeah, I'm gonna well adjust it still because there needs to be adjusted a bit more. But this has like been made yesterday while I was playing around. Yeah, first time ever. Yes, and then that's what I extracted. Yeah, a tiny bit rusty. I'm gonna have to treat the inside, but we'll make it work. We'll make it work. So yeah, that's what it is. It's not that bad, actually. I'll make it work, hopefully, because I got that panel over there which I can cut apart. It's a bit rusty, but it's a bit better than mine. So yeah, you gotta start with the worst bit if you want to learn, isn't it? Plus, there's 4 layers of metal coming together, which is going to be interesting. But yeah, should be alright. Should be alright.